Are you ready to do your social media posts for February? Because guess what? There's a lot of love in the air in February. And I'm going to love helping you create 10 posts for the month. Are you ready for it? Let's get going. Thank you for stopping by the eGen Solutions channel and welcome to my office. So as I mentioned earlier, we are going to help you today with 10 social media posts that you can utilize for your social media for the month of February. Now, 10 may seem like a lot to you or it may seem like not enough. Whatever the reason or however you're feeling, it's okay. 10, super easy. We're going to help you out with that. If you want to do more, I always encourage people to take your 10, spread them out. We like to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. Then you kind of have those 10 posts spread out throughout the month. And it really makes sure that you've got a consistent post going up basically every other day. If you have time to do more, I always encourage people to upload photos and upload things that are going on with your business in between those posts. But if you have 10 already scheduled, already done and set up, scheduled, ready to go out, you kind of have that off your mind and you can fill it in when you need. So with that being said, let's get going on the ideas for your social media for the month of February. So hopefully you've gotten your social media planner book and you filled out your theme for the month and you filled out your goals. And so now what we're doing here is we're just kind of filling out the in between the details. One of the things that I really like to do, especially if it's a new business starting out, is utilizing the reviews that people have left for you or testimonials. Now, if you don't have them, this is a good time to go out and get those. If you don't have Google reviews, I would highly encourage you to start getting people to leave you reviews on Google. Don't forget Yelp. Don't forget TripAdvisor. There's a bunch of different places where people may have left you reviews. So you can pull those reviews, put it into a graphic, and easily use this as a post in your social media. So this does a couple of things. It really solidifies the trust in your brand, that people are using it. It allows people to see that your services are being used, what things people liked about it, and it encourages others to leave a review for you as well. So this is a really great piece. If you have branding in place, you can easily create a graphic in Canva. If you would like me to show you how to do that, please let me know in the comments below. We'll get that on a schedule to show you how to do those Google review graphics. So there you go. 2 posts done, 2 Google reviews, 2 TripAdvisor reviews, and you are on your way to only having 8 more posts for the month. Let's get going on 2 more. All right, so 2 more posts, so it'll bring us down to 4 of 10. This is utilizing other people's content. So that just means sharing a news article, sharing events, especially if you're a local business. I love sharing other local businesses' events because not only does it put you in the community for that city, but it also shows that you're helping out other businesses as well. So that is a great thing to share on your social media. And also, of course, we're hoping that you're doing blogging or some type of other content creation that you can take and you can share that on your social media for the month as well. I like to space that out between the beginning of the month, at the end of the month, but those are 2 easy ways to come up with content for your month of February. We're 2 more down. We got some more to go. We're getting there. 6 of 10. All right. I need to write this down and I needed a little help. So everybody knows those fun national holidays, and those are really great posts to utilize too. Now, I have a video that showcases how to take those flat photos and make them a little bit more animated. I'm going to put that up somewhere here in the description below. I highly suggest pizzazzing those things up a little bit, kind of gets you above the noise of everybody else doing it. Great things to play around with for the month. So I'm going to give you a couple that are happening this month of February. February 4th is a National Wear Red Day. So the hashtag is #WearRedDay. So that's a really great one to get involved in. And that's actually a very large national campaign. So check that out. Great to get involved in. February 5th is National Weather Person Day. I like this one, especially if you're a local business, because you can tag your local weatherman. Guarantee you they are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is a great way to kind of get yourself into the community as well. On February 8th, it's Laugh and Get Rich Day. It is a film, but it's also about doing that balance between life and work. So if you're a life coach, this is a good one for you. February 11th, Don't Cry Over Spilled Milk Day. Yeah, if you're a bakery, a restaurant, or something, that's a fun one to do. And of course, how could I miss? Oh my gosh, I didn't even have my prop ready. February 14th, Valentine's Day. Aww. All right, let's get going. On the 17th, it is Random Acts of Kindness Day. So those are all really great things to talk about in another video later on, possibly in the next month. I'm going to show you how to actually utilize content that the campaigns such as Wear Red Day, they already have a whole social media kit for you. So stay tuned. That's coming up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another little tip like that. And of course, we're on to 2 more posts. Let's get going. We're getting there. Only 4 more posts to come up with. So here's the thing I really like, and I think I've spoken about that in previous ones. That's Throwback Thursdays. I love that one. I love it because it showcases where your business started, even if it's from the creation or something that before you even started your business. I love seeing that process that brought you to that point today. So something from the past that you can say Throwback Thursday, this is when I started thinking about this business. Depending on how long you've been in business, you can showcase any type of picture. Love those things. It really kind of solidifies how long you've been in business, how far you've come. The other thing is for Throwback Thursday, I just like talking about your business. So it could be a fun fact. It could be something about your business, something you're working on moving forward. So something that's coming up, like a pre-launch, not necessarily a sale, but just something that you're working on. And I think that should give you 2 more posts, because I know if you are full-time in your business, you've got 2 things you can talk about with your business. So there you go. 2 more posts. Let's keep going. All right, can you believe it? We are at the end. We're at the 10 posts for the month. Now, this is where I would like to have a call to action or a sale or something that would get people to look at your site, look at your business, sign up for something, download something. This is kind of where you want to do your sale. So however that works for you, if you're a service provider or if you real estate agent, you're selling a product, whatever that is, this is a good time to do it. And I really like giving more and interacting with people like 80% of the time in your social media posts, and maybe about 20% is a call to action to ask for something. And you can do that with giving something. So obviously these videos are something that, we do as a company to give back and to help with social media. But on the flip side, I'm doing this because I want you to know, we know what we're doing. This is how we're putting things together. And so if and sometime in the future, you would want to utilize eGen Solutions, we would love to talk to you. But our hope is we're giving you a lot more. And at some point, somewhere off in the distance, when your business is like making millions, you'll remember us and you'll give us a call. But that's what I would do for your last 2 posts, is to talk about your business, a sale, some sort of call to action that they can utilize to work with you. All right. So what do you think? 10 posts. Did we do it? I think we did. I would love to know in the comments below if this strategy helped with your planning for the month. And always, if you want more clarification on anything I talked about today, we'd love to know about that in the comments as well. Love subscribers. If this helped you, thumbs up. I will see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.